Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'll be taking you around the Approved Used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Hercuba Silver. Let's start our journey from the front of this Velar, where we'll see the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, you'll see perfect contrasting features such as your black roof and your black roof rails as it sits on these 21-inch satin dark grey alloys. Venturing to the rear, you'll also notice your rear privacy glass as well as your rear LED tail lights, ensuring all passengers and contents are safe from prying eyes. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast amount of boot space. Looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electronic air suspension as well as your electrically deployable tow bar. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your 20-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring comfort on any length of journey. And now as we take a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbor key information such as your speed and your sat-nav. Moving over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your PV Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, where you will also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen. You'll also be able to access your heated seat functions as well as climate control systems. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the Approved Used Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. Thank you for watching.